Hello, I'm Geoff Jones. I'm the Third Sector Engagement Officer on the Digital Communities Wales project, which is the Welsh Government funded digital inclusion project. I'm here to tell you a little bit about our digital inclusion charter, which we are launching at our conference in Wrexham. Basically, the digital inclusion charter is simply a call to action to the third sector across Wales to basically sign up to a series of commitments to show the fact that they are working to tackle digital exclusion and to also embed digital inclusion principles and practices in their day-to-day activities. Signatories are asked to sign to a number of commitments around best practice, how they can show collaboration around digital inclusion, how they are working with volunteers and staff members to tackle issues around digital exclusion, and how they can identify best practice in the work that they do and collaboration around digital inclusion, which will basically work to make sure that as many possible people and groups in society are not facing issues around digital exclusion. What we're looking to do, as I say, is to get third sector organisations across Wales to sign up to the principles. Organisations who then sign up will be able to have an accreditation, a digital inclusion charter mark, which they then will be able to use on their website and on their headed paper. And over time, we're hoping that the accreditation will become to be seen to be an accepted and respected charter and accreditation mark that will be accepted by third sector funders, third sector organisations, and will give credibility to the work that you are doing in respect of digital inclusion. So what I would simply state is that if you feel that you show good practice around digital inclusion, or you want to find out more about the principles of the charter, that you basically go onto the Digital Communities Wales website, where if you look on the homepage and the useful links, you can find information about the Digital Inclusion Charter, and you can sign up. Or obviously, if you want to talk in more depth about it, please contact me directly. It's Geoff Jones at the Wales Cooperative Centre, or via the Wales Council for Voluntary Action, who are a partner in rolling out the Digital Inclusion Charter across the third sector infrastructure in Wales. I look forward to hearing from you, and as I say, this is really a call to action, and we can really show how the Welsh third sector is leading in digital inclusion and some of the really great case studies and activities that we're doing to tackle digital exclusion, which is causing all sorts of issues for already socially and economically marginalised communities and individuals in Wales. So thank you, and I look forward to hearing from you.